Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing redox reactions chapter. So in the last class we discussed calculation of oxidation number of the elements in the compounds by using rules for assigning oxidation numbers. So in this class, let us discuss another method of calculation of oxidation numbers, that is called as stock method or stock notation. Stock notation. Stock notation method can be used to calculate the oxidation number of a metal only in the compounds. Stock notation method can be used to assign the oxidation number of the metals in the compounds. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ is the calculation of oxidation number of a metal. Oxidation number of metal calculate ಮಾಡಿ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ನ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಸಿಸ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಸಿಸ್, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಸಿಸ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ Roman numeral. So that is stock notation. In this method, in stock notation method, oxidation number of metal, oxidation number of metal is indicated by Roman numerals within the parenthesis after the symbol of metal in the compound. So in the stock notation method, the oxidation number of a metal is indicated by Roman numerals within the parenthesis after the metal in the compound. Let us take examples. Express or represent the oxidation number of metals in stock notation for the following compounds. So represent first compound is CuCl, copper chloride. Here copper chloride is the salt. In this metal is copper. Chlorine is a 17 group element, so chlorine is -1. So copper oxidation state is now +1. CuCl ಅಲ್ಲಿ copper metal oxidation number +1. That +1 can be written as, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ oxidation number in stock notation can be represented as Cu ಅಂದ್ರೆ copper metal parenthesis Roman numerals 1 close the parenthesis Cl. So in CuCl oxidation number of copper is 1. That oxidation number 1 can be written within the parenthesis by Roman numerals after the metal. Metal ಆದಮೇಲೆ parenthesis ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, AuCl3 ferrous chloride. AuCl3. Here Au means atom, gold. 3 Cl atoms are there. So in this AuCl3, gold Au oxidation state is 3. That 3 can be written as Au ಅಂದ್ರೆ metal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ parenthesis ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ Roman letter 3, close the parenthesis Cl3. So AuCl3 stock notation. Example 3. Cadmium chloride, CdCl2, cadmium chloride. This can be written as Cd, cadmium metal, parenthesis. So in CdCl2, cadmium metal oxidation number is 2, Roman letter 2, close the parenthesis Cl2. So like this, any metal compounds are taken, the oxidation state of that metal in the compound can be indicated by Roman numerals within the parenthesis after the metal. Metal ಆದಮೇಲೆ parenthesis ಒಳಗಡೆ oxidation number of metal can be indicated by Roman numerals. Such type of notation of oxidation number of metal is called as a stock notation. Stock notation. Next. So next topic is types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. We have 4 types of redox reactions. So there are 4 types of redox reactions: combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, and disproportionation reactions are the 4 types of redox reactions. Let us discuss one by one in details. Combination reactions. And they are also called as redox combination reactions. So combination reactions are nothing but the chemical reactions or the redox reactions in which a compound is formed by the combination of 2 or more substances, at least one of which is in elemental form. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ such type of chemical reactions are called as combination reactions. The chemical reactions, the chemical reactions, the chemical reactions in which compound is formed by the combination of two or more substances, come on, at least one of which is in elemental form. It's called as combination reaction. So combination reaction is the chemical reactions in which compound is formed by the combination of two or more substances. During that combination of the two or more substances, one of these substance is in elemental state. That means uncombined state whose oxidation number is 0. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ such type of reactions are called as combination reactions. Two or more substances ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Let us take examples for combination reactions. Carbon C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. It is a combination reaction. Here two substances, that is carbon is one substance and oxygen is another substance. Carbon now combined with oxygen to form compound carbon dioxide. See here, oxidation state of carbon is 0 because carbon is in uncombined state. Free state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ oxygen, that means the oxidation state of carbon is 0, and once again oxygen still not reacting with carbon, so it is in elemental state, so the oxidation state is 0. But now come to the carbon dioxide. It is a compound. In all the compounds, common oxidation state of oxygen is -2, so that 2 into -2, so -4, send that side, so +4. Now carbon in the carbon dioxide is +4, oxygen is -2. Now oxidation states of carbon and oxygen are changed from reactants to the products. ನೋಡಿ, reactants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ +4 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 0 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ -2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು one of the substance lost electrons, another substance gained electrons, hence combination reaction is a redox reaction. Combination reaction is a redox reaction. Let us take another example. Magnesium plus N2 gives rise to magnesium nitride, Mg3N2. So magnesium oxidation state is 0 here because it is elemental state, uncombined state, ಇನ್ನು combine ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So oxidation state is assigned as 0. Nitrogen also in uncombined state, so that 0. Next, in magnesium nitride Mg3N2, magnesium is a second group element, alkaline earth metal, so that in the compounds alkaline earth metal has the oxidation state of or oxidation number of plus 2. So then 3 into 2. So that is plus 6. Plus 6. So then to cancel this plus 6, now charge on nitrogen is minus 3. So 3 into, okay, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Now here nitrogen 0 is converted to minus 3 and magnesium 0 is converted to plus 2. So change in oxidation numbers. Hence this is also a combination reaction because Mg3N2 is the compound which is formed by the combination of magnesium and nitrogen. Next, for example, CH4 methane plus 2O2 gas gives rise to CO2 gas plus 2H2O. Okay. So this is also combination reaction. Methane combining with oxygen. So here there are two substances are combining. Oxygen is one substance and methane is another substance. But now methane is already a compound, but oxygen is elemental state. Condition for combination reaction is when the two substances or more than two substances are combined to form a compound, at least one of the substance which is combining is in zero oxidation state. Again, methane, oxygen, two substances they are combining to form the compounds. But methane is a compound, but oxygen is a elemental state. It is a element. So whose oxidation state is 0. Next, in the compound, hydrogen is plus 1, 4 into plus 1, plus 4. So then carbon is minus 4. Next, oxygen minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So then this is plus 4. And plus 1 hydrogen minus 2 oxygen. There is a change in the oxidation numbers, hence it is a combination reaction. Hence it is a combination reaction. Let us take a fourth example. So that is S plus O2 gives rise to SO2 gas. So here sulfur is elemental state, so oxidation state is 0. Oxygen is elemental state, so oxidation state is 0. And oxygen in the compound, oxidation number is minus 2. So then this is plus 4. So look at all these examples. From reactant side to the product side, there is a change in the oxidation number of the elements. One of the substance lost electrons, and another substance gained electrons. So totally the combination reactions are the redox reactions. Combination reactions are redox reactions. So redox combination reactions are the first type of reactions. The chemical reactions in which compound is formed by the combination of two or more substances containing at least one elemental state are called as redox combination reactions. So two or more substances are combined to form a compound, at least one of which is in elemental state are called as redox combination reactions.